Welcome to the Data Analyst Excel course. My name is Elad. I've been using Excel for more than 10 years, and I've been offering my services as a freelancer for customers all over the world. I created this course because I want to share with you some of the skills that I have for using Excel. In this course, I want to show you how I take raw data and build it so that you can get a dashboard with some insights and some nice charts. I think you'll find a lot of value in this course, and I hope you will. Take care. So, in this course, I want to show you how I took raw data, raw sales data, like these example files that have different columns like items, costs, quantities, dates, suppliers, and customer name, and eventually transition this into a dashboard where you have information like the profit by customer, the country, the weekday sales, the year to date profit. Give you the ability to slice information using very nice slicers here. So everything changes. You can see trends, you can see profit by category, and of course, you could custom fit this to your exact needs. Now, the data starts as raw data, but I'll show you how I created formulas to transition the raw data and also added some layers of customer data, item database, some lists. You can have a missing data report, of course, everything into pivot tables and other tables, and eventually the dashboard. So that's really, in a nutshell, what this course is all about.